Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company near Warsaw, Indiana. We continue our tutorial videos that we show each of our new employees who we train to become professional painters. This will be a quick video on how to spot prime drywall repairs. It's very important to do that. This is just our shop, so typically we would have this switch cover off and all this taped, and all this crazy stuff is just some paint test that we were doing earlier. But this is a drywall repair, a stress crack that had been repaired, 3 thin coats of joy compound, and then it has been sanded smooth. Now if you just painted over that drywall repair would soak in the sheen of your paint, and it would create what's called flashing, meaning when you looked at that repair, and let's just say you had a satin wall paint or an eggshell or semi-gloss, it would be like a flatter look here. It would almost look like a matte or a flat finish, and you'd see all these spots that you didn't spot prime and painted over rather than primed. So what we do is down here we have what we call a 9-inch pan. We put in this liner, which is really nice because it keeps our paint out of the pan. We've already kind of loaded this roller up, this 9-inch roller. And so how we spot prime our wall repair here is we start in the middle. I'll go ahead and do both of these. We really soak the middle of that repair. We could put quite a bit on in the middle. Sometimes I'll go a couple directions. Get all of that covered. Now it looks dumb, but what we like to do is we like to feather off like this, so that we do not have a ridge that we're painting over, which you could actually see through your final finish. So you see how I'm feathering and minimizing that edge there? And that's all we do. That's basic spot priming of a drywall repair so that you have a nice even finish after you put your two coats of paint on. If you liked what you saw, just give us a thumbs up on YouTube. Or if you have more questions, you can contact us at matthewspainting.com.